Bada-bam. I want to record you as well. Going down to Ockham.
What am I gonna do?
Nope. Stopped recording. It does it all the time.
Stop it. Get some help.
As soon as I start recording, it's like, oh, I don't know where your unit's gone. I think I need to do a software update.
I'm just looking at the car to not smash the bikes like a domino.
Point. Which way did you want to go?
I don't know.
We can try and head towards the A3, see how busy it is, because yesterday it was absolutely horrific, but it is the straightest way down to Ockham.
So we go straight?
We're going that way.
Yeah, so we go straight.
Yeah, I've got my petrol light on. Apparently I have 40 miles left, so...
Well, that was a stupid idea.
Ah,
Fucking idiot.
so right? Yeah.
I fucking stared at him doing it.
So we will go to Kingston Road and then straight to the A3, right?
We'll go on the left lane if there's space. Perfect. Oh, and you as well. La la. Yeah, so what I usually do is I go down this left, turn right where the road bends, and then do that left onto Hartfield Road and then go down to the tram lines. And then we'll do this right turn here.
Yeah, into Kingston Road.
Oh, yeah, that one there. Usually I go from here straight up until the A3, next to Bushy Park, and then you can kind of filter there as well.
That's what I usually do. And especially now that I have proper gear, so I know how to avoid the A3 today.
That's a safe and responsible option, I like that. I say that whilst I'm wearing jeans and Vans trainers. Oh, I wish I could high-five one of them cyclists one day who's putting their hand out as an indicator. Like, hey! Downer, you can stay in your fucking, whatever you're staying in, petrol station. Forgot how to English. The road's a bit lower here. Jesus. My foot's in a ditch.
Yeah, you can see the cut.
I'm gonna come in front so I can go into that lane as well, because your lane's pretty good. Oh shit. Follow me, sir. Come with me. We're good, we're good, we're good, we're good. I'm gonna make space for you. I'm gonna go behind this van.
Okay.
Okay, rather safe than anything. Oh yeah, he's gonna undertake everyone and just stop at the red light. Is he gonna get through? Nah, he's gonna send it through anyway. You wanna race? Okay, Kevin.
Racing. Real racing.
I'm going in between you and the car. You ready?
Yes.
It looks busy up front, further ahead on the top of the bridge.
What's going on? Is that because of the closed lane?
Yeah, usually by the time we get to the closed lane, after then is good. This is the A3. This is a 50-mile-an-hour road, Kevin, in London.
Yeah, one of the few remaining. We'll probably be made 40 next year.
There's an L plate behind us. Do you think he's coming, Ockham?
Really?
Should we ask him if he catches up with us?
Yeah.
He's not going to filter anything. It looks like he's one of them sensible ones who just stays in his lane. Unlike me, I'll just crisscross applesauce, change lanes. But I'm not going to do that. I can't filter on this road. I hate filtering on the A3.
You know why people hate it? I don't hate the A3.
It's okay. Sometimes maybe good, sometimes maybe shit.
Sometimes maybe good, sometimes maybe shit.
You haven't seen that meme, have you?
Yes.
Oh, we've got a Kawasaki friend.
Yeah, no, it's a Triumph tire.
Is it?
Yeah.
We'll let him pass. Because he looks busy. Oh, are you going to go for it, mate? Come on, mate. Tiger Sport.
Yeah.
I forgot how to talk. Tried to sit on one, but I could barely lift it up at Superbike Factory either. Fucking heavy. They're so heavy.
That happened to me with a Scrambler 1200 XE.
Yeah. At this point, I'm wondering if I've got enough fuel just to get to Ockham. I've got 1 bar left, 40 miles. What do you think?
Yes, you can easily do it. I've done like 80 miles on a almost empty tank.
What the fuck?
Exactly, what the fuck?
Yeah, I don't know how you did that. 80 miles for me is half a tank. I always try and, when it's busy like this, I try and see how far I can go without putting my foot down.
Okay.
Hi.
Okay.
Last time I did that on the A4... Ah, fuck. Last time I did that on the A406 up the bridge, and I almost didn't make it home with fuel. Well, I made it home. I had to fill up in, do you know all places? Roehampton. and I still got my bike. Alex, if you're watching this, I know you're on the way to Ockham. We're trying to be quick. It's as quick as we can go. I'm sorry, we're late. Again. Oh, I am again. Actually, he wasn't even there last week. Z650, Alex. And you didn't come last week.
It was boiling. It was like 36 degrees. That felt like 42 or something like that. That's not warm.
That is mad.
But, I mean, probably for you it was okay because you are always cold.
Yeah, I'm always fucking freezing, man.
I don't know what kind of monster you are.
Hungarian one.
You should be used to the cold.
I don't like cold.
You should be an Iceman. Your ancestors lived in the Uralic mountains.
My nan lives in a little village, though she does live near Tokaj, which is a famous wine, Hungarian wine.
But I can't understand that you are always cold. And then you probably don't have much bone fat, especially in your chest, like covering your core.
Yeah. I don't have much insulation.
So it makes sense and I don't blame you.
I like my warm. I'd rather burn and melt than freeze. I mean, the car in front of us is just doing 50 anyway, so we can just sit behind them. There is a lorry behind me, which I'm expecting is going to overtake us, so just don't be scared. Yep, there we go. The wind pushed a little bit. Don't drag me back out of my lane.
Yeah, I don't know why did he overtake?
He can do 56, he will do 56.
I mean, it's just 5 miles more.
When I used to drive lorries, I'd be in the fucking inside lane if they're not doing 50. I'd go into the very right side lane, because I can. People were scared, don't get me wrong, but it's still legal and I was still safe. Now this is stupid because they went into the inside lane, or middle lane, to do 50. Come, I'm gonna let them back in, because they're a danger to themselves.
Yeah.
They're causing a fucking problem. I have no idea why they went into the middle lane. Ah! Windy. The wind is pushing me! Ah! I think this lane's actually good for us all the way.
Yeah.
I think further down we can even go one left. Let me have a look.
Do you want to go left?
No, not left. Further down. Because the left lane's going to take us left.
Yeah.
We need the right lane, but then by the time we get to the roundabout, we need the left lane. So, we'll go that way. Yeah, we did have to go left. You're right, Kevin. I'm going to go left lane, so...
Yeah.
So it scares that person in the mini and you got space because they went on the brakes. That's what I do. I'm just like being stupid so everyone backs off and then we have space for the both of us. Woo! We got to Ockham, boys and girls, and the bike is fucking screaming. Right, I've got my visor down and I need both hands to ride and I can't see shit. Oh, photographer man's here. Oop, I hit a stone and my bike just went. Oh, someone come in, watch out. Busy, busy. Where the fuck do I park? Well, I would go there if people moved out the way and they weren't standing in the way. But down. We're going scrambling, Kevin.
Nice.
Ooh. Triumph Scrambler. And I'm gonna put it in there so I'm out of everyone's way.
I thought that you were going through the log.
I am a log. No, wait, I'm not. What? Very nice. Hello. How are you, bro?
Damn, son, where'd you find this?